Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Tunisia to Ghana, and resident in Abuja, Nigeria.
Mr. President, it's an honor for me to present you with the letters by which His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Tunisia, Mr. Kais Said, has accredited me as Ambassador of the Republic of Tunisia to the Republic of Ghana. I have the honor to present at the same time the letters of recall of my predecessor. Mr. President.
Thank you. You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Ambassador to the Republic of Ghana. We believe that your tenure will be a period that sees an enhancement in the relations between Ghana and Tunisia. Tunisia has done quite well, I mean, in the period after the Arab Spring in rebuilding its governance and economy. And it sets an example for all of us that government must be in the interests of the people. In Ghana, we ourselves are going through a reset agenda to reset our governance, our democracy, and our economy so that they serve the interests of the people better. And I think that there's a lot that we can learn from Tunisia. We are both in the same international continental bodies, and I noticed that our positions on issues are similar.
Yes.
And so I believe that closer coordination between Ghana and Tunisia in terms of the positions we take on different multilateral issues will be important going forward. Ghana is currently the second vice chair of the African Union, and will be contacting your president in the near future because we are interested in the chairmanship of the AU when it next becomes available, because it's geographically coming to West Africa. And so we'll seek Tunisia's support when the time comes.
Of course.
But I want to welcome you, and I believe that developments in Africa are positive because it gives us the opportunity to be able to enhance the economic relations between ourselves by trading together. We're happy that our governments have all signed on to the protocol of the African Continental Free Trade Area, and that allows us to exchange goods duty-free, tariff-free between our countries. But at the same time, I think we must go beyond and also welcome investments from each other's countries. Ghana has a lot of opportunity in mining, in the power sector, in agriculture, agribusiness, and so many other segments. And so Tunisian businessmen that are willing to come and invest in Ghana are very warmly welcome. And it's my hope that during your tenure as ambassador, we'll see the kind of business exchanges that will inure to the mutual benefit of our two countries. And so once again, you're warmly welcome.
Thank you, Mr. President. Very kind to convey to Your Excellency the warmest greetings and the highest forms of respect from the President of Tunisia, His Excellency, Mr. Kais Said. So you know that relationship between Ghana, or if I dare say brotherly Ghana, friendly Ghana, I thought from the independence of both countries. I mean, Tunisia in 1956 and Ghana in 1957. And it was, I mean, a form of friendship that were heightened gap towards, I mean, the present today. Today will be and should be, I mean, a new page and a new start in our relations in order to be able to enhance our cooperation to the highest levels. So yesterday I talked with His Excellency, your Minister of Foreign Affairs. It was very fruitful and very interesting to deal with what they call the joint commission between the two countries. Through this joint commission, of course, it will be possible to coordinate. It will be possible to sign agreements on different fields, on different sectors of the economy, in politics, in education, in culture, in many. So all the fields, of course, between the two countries are open to both brotherly countries. So we talked about the first quarter of 2026. I mean, to start working from now on in order to be able to deal with it either in Tunis or in... it was expected to take place in 2019, but it was not the case. So I'm here, I have been here, of course, I mean, in Nigeria as ambassador to the Republic of Nigeria as early as January 2024, and we worked hard, of course, to be able to deal with the joint commission with them in the end of this year. It's expected to be so in the beginning of the next year. Of course, it will be possible between Ghana and Tunisia. So let's work together in order to move ahead at different levels, because I'm giving the cultural level a very important basis, because it is the basis on which we can construct everything. This through exchanges, through visits at different levels, political, economic, cultural, in order to give the, the opportunity to our two peoples to know one another better and to be able to construct at the other levels. This is very important for us. It's my state of mind, it's my point of view, and I think that we are on the same line as far as this idea is concerned. So as far as the support from one country to the other, this is, of course, will be, a must between African countries. So we are living on the same continent, on the same land, and the priority should be for Africans themselves. This is, the best end for this conversation in order to be able to be acquainted with any, details concerning our relationship at multilateral or bilateral levels. It was a real pleasure, of course, to meet you, and it was a honor to meet you as the leader of this country, because all will be positive through you and through your political and governmental team. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
Yes. Well,
Cheers.
thank you.